Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term WSG. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, WSG is short for what's good, a casual greeting people use to ask how someone is doing or what's happening. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. WSG first showed up in early 2000s online chat as shorthand for what's good. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people in online communities. Now let's check out how to use WSG in a sentence. Correct example 1. Hey, WSG, are you coming to the party tonight? Correct example 2. Yo, WSG, bro? Haven't seen you all day. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said WSG at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using WSG right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap means an acronym for What's Good, used as a casual greeting. It started in early 2000s online chat, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with WSG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.